lodge, and then on the where the upper holes for the golf course were, it's now going to be an adventure park.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So next time, when we come back.
So be careful if you don't come down into the job site, because there's all kinds of
Scary.
trucks and all kinds of stuff.
Oh,
driving
nice.
around.
What are these blue one covers?
Those covers for something.
Oh, you are part of the construction in there?
Yes.
Or oh, okay. So the last time that we were here, there's a construction too. So
They just started.
Yeah, they just started. We kind of know that at the back of it that there's a trail, but
Yes.
that's about it. So
Yeah.
that's why we want to try the other one. We don't know. The map will not give us a direction. I don't know why. Yeah.
So the trail kind of follows the ridge line all the way across. You can go as far as you want.
Okay.
There's-
Well, we were
there
ready.
is some
When
good
our
lookout
water is
areas
gone,
and all that.
Yeah. We'll use up all the water. Then
it's
we'll
time
go
to come
back.
down.
Yeah, that's where we were.
Yeah.
Are you over here in the lodge?
Yeah. And then we kind of go to our right because they don't want us to go inside.
Yeah, there is a trail that you can go through the lodge and that connects to the Munroe Trail. But that trail
There's
that's
a
being
lot
used by
going on.
construction.
Yeah, there's a lot going on in there. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. All the way here. This is part of the construction?
Part of those.
The hotel? The lodge?
There's another trail that you can come down that might not be as bad. It goes up through here
Maybe we were going to do that.
and it
Kia.
ends up by the old graveyard.
Kia
That
Hill.
trail right there. They use that too,
Oh, okay.
the construction guys. So just a lot of things going on.
Now we're going to be going to the airport.
Where's the airport?
Yeah, no way.
Yeah, I was heading to the airport. I don't.
It's not in.
What's your name, sir?
William,
William. Nice meeting you, William.
nice meeting
Thank
Lana'i
you. Thank you so much for
you.
giving us the ride over here.
You're welcome.
We're
Everything
two
on-
little explorer.
Everything around here is real close. So
Yeah.
Very.
not out of.
Do you live here?
Yes, yes.
Oh, nice.
Been here about 25 years.
Wow. You're in a great place.
We've been not renaming, but like Munroe Trail has a Hawaiian name,
Uh-huh.
and so they've been going back to the Hawaiian names and stuff. So I don't know what half of it is.
What is the name?
I know Munroe Trail is Munroe Trail.
So if you look at Lana'i, it's like a small island, but looking at.
But when you're here,
Yeah.
it's a little bit
So
big.
this is the old graveyard. It's a graveyard road,
I think this is it because it says it's a cemetery.
Uh-huh.
That's drop off.
cemetery road.
Yeah.
This is the beginning of the trail.
Okay.
Oh, so this is the backside of
Yeah.
the
And
lodge.
it goes up and through all that. You'll see Maui already over there. Molokai right over there.
Uh-huh. So we are from Maui, by the way.
Yeah, we're from. Oh, I used to live in Lahaina with
Yeah.
her in Lahaina town, but I just recently moved to New Mexico,
Ah,
and I'm here visiting. This is my third time.
This is the cemetery.
Uh-huh.
Oh, they even have a construction in here. Road
Oh, it's a
closed.
big.
Okay.
let's see if we can go this
See, you're the boss, so you can go hiking with us if you want for a little bit.
That's right, I could.
Yeah, everywhere there's a construction going on.
This is like their lay down yard for all of the construction going on the upper part of Coed.
Yeah.
Putting in new lakes and